When lifting jobs demand greater capacity, longer stroke, and portability, Enerpac delivers. Introducing Enerpac's new 30-ton hydraulic toe jack. Built from robust, lightweight aluminum, the toe jack combines serious lifting power with improved portability. It's ideal for crowded plant floors where machines are tightly spaced or positioned close to walls. As a high-performance, lightweight alternative to competitor models, it gives maintenance teams and professional riggers the power they need for lifting machinery without unnecessary bulk. With a 7.87-inch stroke, one of the highest strokes in its class, the toe jack lifts higher in a single cycle. That means less repositioning, fewer packing blocks, and faster placement of machine skates under the load. Handling is where this toe jack truly stands apart. Foldable side legs and a removable handle make it easy to move into tight spaces, while the lifting eyes and optional side handles provide precise positioning once in place. The adjustable 3-position tilting toe provides controlled lifting across varying load angles and tight access points. And with hydraulic power delivered by a remote pump, operators can work from a safer, more ergonomic position, reducing operator strain and risk of injury. The new TJP 30-ton hydraulic toe jack. Lift higher. Reach further. Move anywhere. Buy now at enerpac.com.